in today's video we will be making a realistic orange drawing. So for this you need a circular thing, so a thing to make circles. So I'm using a cup. Then you need 3 orange crayons, 1 reddish orange, and a black paper. So take your cup and take your darkest orange, not the reddish orange, and trace a outline of your circle. So here you go. I want to make it at the corner, so I'm making it at the corner. You could make it wherever you want. Then just thicken your line out. So here you go, your line's thickened. Also, do not use Crayola. I didn't have my oil pastels at this time, but it looks better with oil pastels. So like the photo, it's from oil pastels. The one I'm teaching you is from Crayola. So take your white crayon and choose wherever you want the middle of your orange to be. So I'm choosing it to be here. Then take your lighter orange, it should be a little bit lighter, and just make lines. They don't have to be perfect since orange lines are never perfect. So here you go, and then just continue the line. It makes 2 borders because we're going to add white into it next. Comment down below how your day's going. So take your white and then make a border line of your lines that you just made. So this is how you should make it. Now that that's done, take your white and the 2 border lines that we made, put the white in the middle of it. Since if you look at oranges, there's always that white thing. Don't make it too thick though. Now, take your white and just add a little line coming out from the center. Then take your lightest shade of orange and do the same and overlap the crayon a little bit. It's already starting to look realistic. Now that that's done, take a darker shade of orange and overlap it like so. Now take the darkest shade you have of your orange, so I'm taking a reddish orange, and add it at the end. So this is how it should look. Now it's time for blending. I personally don't like it to be too blended, so I use my finger not to blend it too much, but you can use a tissue or another Crayola, so you could use white to blend it out too. So I'm using my finger here, and this is how it looks if you use your finger. So here you go. And that is your final product. Bye!